Real concept design. Design before you buy. Hey everybody. This is Rich from Real Concept Estate. How are you doing? We have found a house located in Homebush which is available on the market right now. It could have the potential for a granny flat. Let's review 3 Coleman Avenue in Homebush today. If you are interested in buying, please check out the details in the description below. Without further ado, let's go. Firstly, before we begin, here is the boundary. Set on 494 square metre in a tree-lined street, only a few minutes walk to DFO Homebush and Sydney Olympic Park, right next to bus stop to Strathfield station, and a short stroll to the Bakehouse Quarters restaurant and cafe district. And also, plenty of opportunity with the dual street access, good space, natural light, and comfort for an ever-growing family with 3 bedrooms, a family living room and a north-facing rear yard, all combining to make this ready for immediate living. Children will have fun at the playground in Mason Park. However, if you want an extra storage, working studio or extra bedrooms, then granny flat could be an option for you. Or it could be extra income as a rental property as well. Some key provisions for granny flat at 3 Coleman Avenue Homebush. Height of building to be 9.5 metre maximum. Floor space ratio is subject to the council requirement. It is 0.65 to 1. Site area required to have minimum 450 square metre. Land zoning is R3, medium density residential. Granny flat is not permitted for subdivision. More council info can be found in Strathfield LEP and DCP. For more references information, you can find the fact sheet of supporting secondary dwellings, also known as granny flat, and State Environmental Planning Policy affordable rental housing in the description below. As you can see from here, we have located the granny flat at the rear of the site. This is the bonus of this site because of the dual street access. So we can use and to remain the existing vehicular crossing at the rear of the site. One important thing to remember, the granny flat is to have a maximum floor area of 60 square metre. The maximum floor area of the principal dwelling in granny flat is to be no greater than that permitted by the local council in that zone. Please also be considered the location and the extent of the existing trees. Refer to local council requirement. The shape of the granny flat should work with the surrounding elements, such as existing trees, setbacks, landscaped area, private open space and the orientation of the building to maximize the solar access. Hope you enjoy the video. That being said, as a disclaimer, this concept follows many principles which are applied by a lot of building designers or architects. However, this information is for inspirational or educational purpose only. You could take it to the next level if you want by relevant professionals. Please like, comment and subscribe. We need your help. We got plenty of concepts coming to your way, and I will see you in next video.